Analyst Min-Chi Kuo shared details about the successor to the iPhone SE, the compact Apple smartphone, which was released in 2016 and loved by many owners. According to the analyst, SE2 will add a little in size. According to Min-Chi Kuo, a 4.7-inch screen will appear on the smartphone. The matrix will be ordinary, not OLED. The device will receive an A13 chip, which is in the current iPhone 11. It is not known which method of user identification Apple will choose, a fingerprint scanner or a face recognition system. The first option is cheaper, which fits into the concept of an affordable smartphone, but Apple has stressed many times, Face ID is more reliable. Presumably, the debut of the iPhone SE2 will take place along with the new iPad Pro early next year. The tablet should receive a ToF sensor, which will provide improved work in augmented reality.